Why I am to quote Jada Jada hi dharmasya glanirvavati bharata Abhuthanam adharmasya tadatmanam srijam ayam. This meaning in English, whenever there is a decline in religious practice, O descendants of Bharat, Arjun, you learn a predominant rise of irreligion when the people like this come to teach. At that time, I descendant myself. If it is he is descendant through me or another one, but I have to declare that he has to come. An incarnation plan is required to stop these bastards. What are these peoples keeping in front of these peoples the Adi Sapta Arati by such fraud? What he has mentioned, you would see this. On occasion of Augusta Jayanti, how you know there's Auganta Jayanti Madhachud, 7 priests from the sacred Kashi Vishwanath temple will conduct the Saptorsi Arati to the Yogeshwar Linga in the presence of Adi Yogi. He's a Chudir Bacha, Chudi Adi criminal. Malav, he's a criminal master. Join the live stream of Saptorsi Action Jana. This time they performed. I am banning this type of vulgarism with ladies. You just see this ladies who has been posted here, witches who tried to break the meditation of Lord Buddha. This Madhachod, he is this that he has given somewhere.
To mark this spiritually significant occasion,
this Madhachod,
7 priests from
is a
Kashi
criminal.
Vishwanath temple will conduct a special
Chuduguru is not allowed to do this performance and this vulgarism in the name of religion. I am banning. What I am to quote, that Jada Jada hi dharmasya glanir bhavati bharata paritrana sadhunam rishi.
From the Isha Yoga Center, Coimbatore,
And these peoples who has to disturb me against doing computer intrusion.
Was instrumental in bringing a life
that fraud. I has to
of Agastya Jayanti, 7 priests from the sacred Kashi Vishwanath temple.
That will be the background, but I do not allow those things. I have noted very critically this date before my 7 p.m. A lot of time they have taken from me. I am doing these things. I try to load in YouTube. I have blamed all these papers. You know, the Tree of Life by Gaur Gopal Prabhu is a fraud.
Many thousands of years ago.
Then you come, I have blamed Deepak Chopra.
In this process.
His movement, he is a criminal. Shambhavi, this vulgar lady, is a criminal. This lady is criminal. I have blamed his already. Then Mukunda, I have, and also Paramahansa Yogananda. He is not Paramahansa, what I am feeling. This is school institute, Ramakrishna Mission Institute, religious institute has been captured. Even Rishi Aurobindo's institute has been captured. So I have blamed all these papers, Ditkepalu Maharaj, etc. Nobody talked. on the behalf of these things. Now, this papers has done introduced. I to stop that for that reason. These peoples, you know, they are doing vulgarism in the name of crime, doing in the name of religion, wearing the robes of religious persons. These peoples, Mukunda. I have blamed Mukunda. And also this Madhachud, you see this Madhachud, I have particularly objection for this criminal to give entry in India and by this culprit to take Ram Bhakta. It is a very, very criminal crime doing against Indian religious community that cannot be tolerated. I am giving this message on this August Jayanti jo bhi ho, but he is a fraud. He cannot utter Rishi or Shiva, Adi Yoga, etc. He is a fraud, liar, cheater, cannot enter in religious pillar and mass murderer, impostor, anarchist, cannot. I am show these things. I am lot of video. Why I have today shown this video? Why there was light trembling in my room. But that you see that vagina shape has taken this light, particularly you see this light is almost one that heart sign, that in one uterus shines. So again these vulgarisms, they too, I have banned even the Ram temple erection. They has to stop the erection. If they want to, that will be better to remain in small shape, because we have to demolish as is initiated by the irreligious, satanic, impostor, demonic peoples. I too mention these peoples from underneath to harm the Indian psychosomatic field, taking Indian religious peoples. So this is the underneath, which is come Indian undersea Mexico Gulf to harm these peoples. So not only this, I am saying these peoples that who are remaining at that bottom to do these things. Although may not be possible here to show this activity, because they have stopped to use massive setup. This massive setup to go to the bottom of the sea. So a lot of disturbance they to create. With these things, that lot of facilities, money to go the undersea. They are going undersea, lot of these things, and doing lot of drama in the name of ocean exploration.
Okay, over here we have a 2005
This type of this heavy instrument they are utilizing. Those are very disturbing. They are disturbing the whole sea and whole sea magnetic field using. And this name of exploration, they are putting those messages just on my head. I am Rabindranath Ray. The lot of problem I have already recorded. So this is the just fake oceanography. You see this how big setup underneath they have kept, and these machines to produce heavy size lengthy clouds. Those are very objectionable to do remaining undersea. These peoples has kept so many things. What I am saying, Galpo Holo Satti, that you have to take in what this type of vulgar activity has been started. This is just like Islamic Hindu people to argue and to do these things. So these papers
2005, but very clean.
is coming from Dubai.